All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Monday morning-ish, almost afternoon. May everybody be blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray everybody is doing excellent on this beautiful morning. We will be live momentarily, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to share the stream on Twitter, on MySpace. If we can get 1,000 likes up in here, we will be doing a giveaway. We'll be live momentarily, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, we are live on this beautiful day, and I have a question for you guys. Do you think we are going to hit that $25,000 Bitcoin today? Let me know in the comments, guys. Are we going to hit that 25K? That beautiful, that juicy $25,000 Bitcoin today, guys? Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. May God bless all of you. Shout out to Mega Shark. He says that long gonna die, bro. You think this long is gonna die? Who thinks the long is gonna die? Let me know in the chat. Who thinks this long is gonna die? Shout out to NBF Forum. Shout out to Garzagno FPV. Mega Shark says, breaking down from local trend line, bro. Don't you see? Don't you see? 22K by the end of the stream. You know what's funny? 22K, right? When I hear that number, when I hear the number 22K, it sounds high to me still. That's how used to a low Bitcoin I am. Maybe yes, maybe no. We'll have to wait and see. This is a good question. Do I think we're going to hit 25K today? Asks Brittany. I don't know. I don't know. That is easy. Shout out to Jason Casper. Shout out to That Is Easy. Guys, make sure to like the stream. We got about 400 people in here. Only about 100 likes. Shout out to Memory Man. He's not sure. I'm not sure. Cadillac Records says this long is alive big time with this profit. Shout out to Luke W. Shout out to Daniel Cordero. Shout out to Jason Meyer. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? All right, guys. All right, let's get into this. Shout out to Divine Hood. Let's get into this right now. Because here's the thing. Here is the thing, guys. We need to be aware of a number of things that are happening on the chart right now. First of all, why the long trade? Because this morning, guys, we wanted to take a long in the VIP Casper Crew Discord if we came down into the green box with 24-minute bullish div, 12-minute bullish div. What happened this morning? Let's take a look. Wow, we came right down into the green box. And when we take a look at the 24-minute time frame, what do we see? We see bullish divergence. The price was making a lower low. The momentum waves making a higher low, giving us the coveted pattern right here that we can clearly see. The coveted uneven butt cheek pattern, where you have the juicy butt cheek on the left. Nice and the big, nice and the round and the juicy. And then the skinny butt cheek on the right. You know who I'm talking about. That skinny one, you know? Nice and skinny like that waitress at the diner. You know the waitress I'm talking about, that skinny waitress. She smokes too many cigarettes, so she has like a raspy voice, and she has a Brooklyn accent, and she's coming out with your coffee. Now here's what I want to focus on over here, the glutes. When you see price coming down to the key area support, and you see the glutes, the waitress is coming out, right? She's limping along with your coffee, because she can't walk straight with glutes like that. That's where the money is, guys. So that's why I'm in the long. Now, as you can see, guys, the long, you know, it's struggling, okay? It's struggling, so make sure to smash up the like button. Type +1 Jason Casper in the chat if you want this long to do well, guys. Now, Bitcoin is coming down to a key zone of support right now. Okay, we do have to be aware of the key zone of support that we are currently getting on the chart. Why is this a key zone of support, guys? It's because we are coming down to the center point of this range that we have been trading for the past 2 weeks. In fact, I'm going to come over here to a much cleaner chart so we can see more clearly what is actually happening now with this price action. So let me go ahead, and we had some issues this morning, guys, with the ByBit chart on TradingView. It wasn't actually loading the data. It was very interesting, and so we had to use Coinbase. We had to do all these different kinds of workarounds and stuff like that. But now we're back on ByBit, which is nice. It is nice. So let's just kind of objectively take a look at what has happened here during the past, so we can determine what is going to happen in the future. Are we going to hit that that $25,000 Bitcoin? Okay, so what happened yesterday was we came up to a key zone of resistance. We came up to the area of resistance that basically we've been aware of this on the chart for a long time over in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, that 23.9 to 24K level, right? And we came up there And objectively speaking, right, when we do look at the 4-hour time frame, objectively speaking here, we absolutely do see the bearish sign, right? We see price making higher highs into a key zone of resistance. We see the momentum making a lower high. But I would say even more scary is the fact that the money flow is actually making lower highs right here as well, giving us the feared and dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried market Cipher B bearish pattern, where we can see the money flow is getting lower here, and we can also see that the momentum waves are also getting lower here, right? Look at these humps and the red pepperoni nips. That historically, guys, is a very, very bearish sign, and we really do need to be aware of the fact that we are coming to an area of resistance with some bearish signs on the chart. So what are the levels that we need to really hold right now if we want to see another higher high, if we want to see our $25,000 Bitcoin? What are the areas that we need to hold? Well, first of all, what we can do is we can pull our Fibonacci golden pocket from the low to the high, and you can see that we clearly have the high volume node of the range right in here, confluence with the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, right? So I would say that if we start to lose 22,850, this zone right here, that I will lose hope. I will lose hope, and my long will be decimated and destroyed, never to be alive again. Never again, guys. Okay? But if we don't lose that level, there is still hope in my mind that we will come up and put in another higher high. And here's some reasoning as to why I think we very well may get a higher high here. Okay, first of all, if we go to the daily time frame, and let's just take a look right now at the market as a whole, right? That's always a good thing to do. We don't want to lose the forest for the trees. We don't want to miss the forest for the trees, right? Just take a look at all the volume that's traded here. Boom. Okay, look at this. We are coming up to the juiciest zone of resistance that we could possibly even imagine. And it would just be very strange to me that we would actually front run this juicy zone of resistance. We have the last high that we put in August, $25,000 high right here, boom. It was also a low back in May, boom. And in addition to that, we can see if we pull our Fibonacci retracement tool from the last high that we put in back in May, or June, I should say, to the low. Look at this, guys. Fibonacci golden pocket retracement coming in right above that level. And Bitcoin loves to come up to that Fibonacci golden pocket, where we always do look for the rejection, right? Because the 618 is a woman. Her name is 6Juanita. We all know this, right? The crush, my high school crush. I tried to ask her out on a date, and what happened? Rejection. Awful rejection. Now, why? Why the rejection? Well, it was because market Cipher B was printing the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern, right? Typically, when we're looking for a bounce, we want to see the juicy left cheek followed by the skinny right cheek. But if we're looking for a rejection, well, then we want to see the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern. And we can see that as we are actually trading here, if we do get another move up, we'll actually start to see the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern now on this daily time frame right here, right? We could actually start to see something like this happening, where we come up into this zone. And so I do think that there is more upward potential here. Something else that we really do need to keep in mind, guys, is the fact that we are coming up to the FOMC announcement, where the Federal Reserve is going to be announcing their rate hikes. And everybody's kind of pricing in right now a 0.25%, right? 0.25%. I want to take a look quickly and just let's look at what has happened in the past when we get this FOMC announcement. Each one of these lines on the chart right now is the FOMC announcement since June. And if we just take a look objectively here at what's happened, right? Every single time we get this FOMC announcement, it's happening at a major pivot, right? Look at this, FOMC, drop, right? FOMC, we get another big move to the upside. FOMC, this marks the bottom before a nice move to the upside. Again, FOMC right before the FTX thing went down, right? We actually got a pretty big move to the upside right here. We came up 6% before the FTX dump. And then the last FOMC announcement, this one is the most intriguing to me. we came up and we got a reversal right here at resistance. This was actually a key area of resistance. It was a naked time point of control. It was a 0.5 Fibonacci level. 18.3. I remember that level on my chart. Actually missed the short from there because I was waiting for a little bit higher. But look at this. On Wednesday now, we have the FOMC announcement as we are coming to the key area of resistance that we have on our chart. The Fibonacci golden pocket, that 24-25K zone, and just the value area high of this massive range. And so for these reasons, and because Wednesday typically does tend to be a day of reversal, I wouldn't be surprised if we get another move to the upside here. Okay, now when we take a look at the S&P 500, what do we see? The S&P 500, guys, is flirting right now with this very important area of resistance. We're coming to the high of a very large range that we've been trading since Wednesday, November 9th. And right now, we have been literally flirting with this all morning. Okay, let's zoom in here. If the S&P 500, this is the ES futures market, if we can hold above this zone right here, I'm very interested in this zone, the 40, 50 to 40, 60 level. I do think that we can see more upside to Bitcoin. Now, here's what's very interesting about the S&P 500. As we are approaching the FOMC announcement, okay, as we are approaching the FOMC announcement, when we take a look at some of the higher time frames here, let's take a look at the higher time frame right here, we can see that we're actually breaking out of this very important trend line. This is a trend line that we have been literally respecting for a year, and we have not been able to break out of this trend line since January 2022. Okay, we had a big wick here. This is the daily time frame, so we're closing daily candles above this right now. If we can continue in this uptrend, the next place that we will be gravitated towards, sucked up to, or vacuumed up, will be this $4,200 zone right here. And if we can come above that, then we have the golden pocket Fibonacci around 43. So very, very, very interesting times. Everybody was expecting dumpage to the extreme in Q1 2022, 2023. And now here we are, and it's been kind of bullish. We also need to keep our eyes on the dollar, guys, because the dollar is coming down to key support. The dollar is coming down to key support, getting a little bit of a bounce. Now, here's the thing. Why are we bouncing here? It's because it's a weekly order block, a weekly level of support right here. But we also do have just below us some liquidity that could be grabbed from this low at about 101.29 points. Very interesting. If the dollar, which by the way, is starting to look pretty bullish on the weekly time frame, like we're going to get a retracement. If we just come down one more time to grab this liquidity, that could push Bitcoin and other assets like the S&P 500, aka the ES, that could push us to higher prices. Because the dollar is inversely correlated from Bitcoin and stuff like that. Pellegrino, guys, that's some good stuff. I know people gonna hate on me because it's in a plastic bottle. Alright, let's check out what's happening with the order flow right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, we have massive amounts of shorts opening up right here, guys. We have massive amounts of shorts opening up right here. 1.5 million shorts. 600,000. We have like 3 million shorts opening up right here. This is very, very interesting. We very well may be building up some bullish CVD divergences right here. As we see these shorts really starting to open up here, if price is unable to break this low of 23,040, we might get a nice little pump here, right? Right now we have some shorts opening up in this zone here. Let's see if we can squeeze them. Right now those shorts are in profit, so let's see if we can squeeze them. Let's check out Market Cipher B. What is happening right now on Market Cipher B? I'm going to go down to a lower term time frame. We are going to be looking and zooming in, determining, is my long trade going to get wrecked, or is my long trade going to be in profit? Now, I do have to say, based on the 12-minute time frame, guys, I am feeling very, very uncertain about the long trade. Okay? Very uncertain. Why am I uncertain about the long trade? By the way, guys, if you do want to join the VIP Discord where we give the long setup in advance, And by the way, there was plenty of opportunity to take profit on this trade. As you can see, I've already taken profit on it. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. We gave the long from 16.3. And every single day, we post the levels, we post the trade setups, we post the updates, the video updates, and all that good stuff. Also, guys, if you want to trade on ByBit and get 0% limit fees, check out the link in the description of the video. 0% limit fees is a good deal, but only do this if you actually know how to trade with strategy, good risk management, and the system that you put together. If you need a system, check out the course, jasoncaspertrading.com. Okay, so 12-minute time frame, guys. Here's what I don't like about it right now. The money flow looks like it's coming on down. And we also have gotten this anchor trigger wave bearish right here, okay? Anchor trigger wave bearish right there. And also, let's zoom down even lower. Is there any hope for us here? Is there any hope for us here? There is some hope on the 6-minute, guys. We've got this nice scoopsy daisy shape on the 6-minute. We've got the momentum and the money flow getting higher on the 6-minute. Perhaps, guys, perhaps we can get a little bit of a move to the upside here. Okay, perhaps we can. We need to basically hold this pattern, this kind of shape that we have right here. We have to hold this rounded bottom. Right? We have to hold this. If we start to take out this low right here, then that will actually invalidate any absorption of shorts here, and we're probably going to get a big dump down, and your boy is going to get wrecked, absolutely destroyed and wrecked. Shout out to everybody in the chat, by the way. He said, shout out to Michelle Pelly, who says, lock at the 1 hour. All right, I'll take a lock. Let's take a lock. Let's take a look at the Uno hour here. Now, the 1 hour, I have to say, looks absolutely dreadful as far as bullishness goes here. The reason is because of this, guys. I mean, this whole time we've been getting higher and higher prices. We've been getting lower and lower momentum waves, and we've been getting lower and lower money flow. Again, printing the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boot pattern. So that does not look very, very bullish to me. Now, here's the thing, guys. This very well could have been the top. I don't really like this as the top. Let's see if we can find anything else here that can give us any kind of additional confluence. Huh. Well, this is interesting, guys. This is very, very interesting. Let's check this out. All right. We've got a nice channel here. Wow, that is nice. That is nice. Okay, let's just keep in mind this zone down here, guys, okay? Let's just keep in mind this little zone down here. We have a nice confluence of the point of control with this channel low. Okay? Let's be aware of that, because if we do come down there, I think we will probably print some pretty dang bullish divergences on the 12-minute time frame. But let's also contemplate the fact that the high is in, right? Let's contemplate the fact that the high is in. If the high is in, well, then I would be looking for a lower high to be put in. And the way I like to do that, again, is I like to pull the Fibonacci, right? From the high to the low. And if we actually do put in a lower low here, let's say that we do put in a lower low, and we come down to this nice confluence here, that would put our Fibonacci golden pocket retracement at around 23,500. So let's say we do something like this. We come down today, right? We just snag the lows, let's say, right? We just snag these lows, fall into our confluence, get a move to the upside. Then we would look for our lower high to be put in right here. And then we would look to come down a little bit more, right? Contrarily, guys, contrarily, to play the contrarian, to play the contrarian, guys, right? Lest we be ignorant, brethren, of the truth of the matter, we do also have this very, very important level right here. Let's take a look. What level is it, you ask? It's this level right here. 24,297 and 50 cents. Right? Look at this. Let's take a look. Wow. Wow. Another beautiful confluence with this nice little channel thing that we got going on to put in a higher high. smack right into our channel, and then get a move to the downside, put in our real high, right? I'll be very curious to see what happens. This range is held right here for a number of days. It's been over a week. This is from Saturday. Yes, Saturday, the 21st of January. It's currently the 30th, so it's been 9 days. And, you know, I would not be surprised. Things have been looking very, very bearish here for 9 days as well. I mean, look at this money flow coming down here on the 1 hour. Look at this. I mean, if this right here, I was expecting this to totally fall through, right? I really thought that this was a high here. I thought this was a high. I thought we were going to come on down. So it would not surprise me if we hold this range for a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Get some kind of a pump, and then get a buy the rumor, sell the news thing for FOMC, because the FOMC is already priced in to be bullish, right? They're going to raise it by 1/4%, 25 beats per second. They're going to be raising it by 25 beats per second. You know, as a musician, BPS to me means one thing only, beats per second. And as a metal musician, we don't go in beats per minute, we go in beats per second because everything is very fast. Okay? So, last time this happened, everybody was super bullish, including myself. If you remember the live stream I did last time we got the FOMC statement, I was bullish as heck. I was expecting us to go all the way up to 18.4K. I think 18.5K was my area I was looking to short from, right? Well, we got that. The news came out, Powell started to speak, we got a big old pumperoni and cheese, and then bam, rejection, 6 Juanita, making me feel like crap, right? So I don't necessarily think that this is bullish, right? The market is already expecting 0.25%, just like they were last time, and last time it was bearish. So let's see if this is not going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of deal here. We've been holding this range. Let's not see if we get a big last move up and then get a Wednesday reversal as we come up to these nice areas of confluences. That would be pretty dang nice in my book, guys. In the Jason Casper book, the JCB. The JCB. Okay, let's come back to our order flow chart. Wow! Oh, wow! Would you look at that pump? Wow, would you look at that? 4.2 million longs entering into the market. Let's see what happens here, guys, because we have these, you know, we have these longs entering into the market right now, but in order for us to get any kind of real trapped shorts, right, we need to really come above. I would say we're right now at the level. Like, we need to reclaim 23,200, because see all these yellow boxes right here? These are the point, this is the point of control. Most of the short trades that have entered in these last few candles are right here. So these shorts are now needing to defend their position. They need to defend that position. If they can't defend the position, they will be under the water. They will be trapped. They will eat the bugs. They will own nothing and be happy. Okay? Which, by the way, is why I trade derivatives contracts. Because I don't want to actually own the crypto. I want to own nothing and be happy. Right? This is my crypto. It's ByBit's crypto. I'm just betting on the price. Why do I need to own something I'll have to pay to get it fixed? It'd be so much better just to rent it from the government. Yeah, it'd be so much better just to rent it from the government. You know, doesn't it suck having a job and having to do anything in life? I'd rather just sit at home and watch Netflix and play video games and VR and the metaverse. Get universal basic income coming to my door, eating the cricket sandwiches that come to my door. You know, shout out to Klaus Schwab. Shout out to Yovel Noah Harari and all my good friends over at the WEF, making it possible. So let's check it out over here, right? Okay, we are slowly reclaiming this level right here. Okay. Oh, and by the way, shout out to everybody in the chat, guys. Make sure to like the dang stream. We got 700 people in here. We only have 200 likes, guys. Are we gonna hit 25K today? Is Jason Casper gonna get wrecked on this long trade? Right? Am I going to get wrecked on the long? Here's the thing, guys. You can see that I'm long from 22,962, but as we just like went over here, I am willing to stay long in drawdown until we start to lose this green line here. So I'm willing. You guys, man, I might take a juicy loss today, right? We might take a juicy loss today. But, you know, until we lose support, it's support. So here we go, guys. We are clearly finding resistance. These shorts are defending their position. We have 1.5 million shorts opened up right here. We have 1.7 million shorts opened up right here. We have another 256,000 shorts, almost like another million shorts. Right, so we've got like 4 or 5 million shorts right here that are defending their positions at this key level of 23,170. Okay, we really need to come higher than that because we have 4 million longs that just opened up here. It's about equal about the longs and shorts. So let's see who wins this battle right here. This is a 12 p.m. Eastern time battle. New York is on lunch right now. This is the time where we chill out and just wait for the move. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Shout out to Memory Man. Yes, this live stream is brought to you by Pfizer. If you have a problem, we can definitely fix it. Shout out to Casper Media. What is going on, Casper Media? That's a little inappropriate, my friend there. Silosis version 2. Shout out to 6 Juanita. Pumping from macro 0.786 right now, bro. Are we pumping from the macro 786? Interesting, man. Are you talking literally about the 786 from the Roni to the all-time high? Are you talking about that? 786? Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me now, Bitcoin. I'm live on the internet. My reputation's at stake. My self-esteem is at stake right now. We're struggling with the value area high right here of this range. Okay, we're struggling with the value area high of this range. If we can reclaim this level, guys, I think we can get more upside. Okay, but keep in mind, it's not over until this fat lady sinks down here. Let's check out the S&P 500 right now. How is she doing on the, let's say, the half-hour chart? She's holding the levels. Like, that's the thing. She's holding these levels. Look what happened today since New York opened, right? Wait, no, that was last week. Since New York opened, guys, we've been, first we rejected from this level, then we reclaimed it, now we're holding as support. I want to see us come back up and make a higher high here. Let's check out our good friend the dollar. How's she doing? She's pumping, guys. She is absolutely pumping. This is not really good for Bitcoin, the fact that the dollar is pumping. So let's see if maybe the dollar will get some kind of chickens drinking water from these highs up here, right? Let's just see if the dollar can maybe just come up to this nice level and get some rejection, because I really do actually want to see the dollar make a new low. I would love to see the S&P 500 make a new high, and of course I would love to see my beloved Bitcoin get a move up, 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 up to 25k, up to 25k, up, up, up to 25k. Chris Street says the market makers are initiating a max pain cycle. Interesting. Well, Chris Street, make sure to like the stream, bro. Make sure to FOMO into the stream. Shout out to Night Night. I like that. Night Night. All right, we got a blue candle in here. The DXY is at the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. Let's check that out. Let's check that out. DXY, 1 hour, 200 EMA. Starting to get a little rejection. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we're a little bit above it. This 200 EMA on the 1 hour has been a nice area of resistance historically. You said the 200 EMA? Yeah, 200 EMA. Nice, nice, nice. So, Spawn the Bitcoin Overlord says, the big flip has started, guys. The dollar's going to shoot up. The Fed will keep rates higher for longer and will keep hiking. Interesting. We'll have to wait and see how that happens, you know? We need to see how that happens. Shout out to Chris Treat. Thank you so much for the like, my friend. Mega Shark, draw the fib from the 25k top to the 15 bottom. And we're at the 786. Okay, cool, man. Cool. Okay, we're at the 786. What if I was to tell you we are the market makers? You know, I might believe it. Okay, yeah, we could take a little look at Ethereum. Let's take a little look at Ethereum here. All right, we're getting a blue candle, baby. I like what I'm seeing. All right, let's take a little look at ETH here. All right, so ETH, guys. The way I'm looking at ETH is this, right? This is how I'm looking at ETH. I see that we have two ranges right here. I like to look at this as basically back in May, Friday, when we got the basically like the whole Luna deal, right? We put in this nice order block on the daily right here on Wednesday, May 11th. I'm looking at this as one range, like this, with our range high at around 2100 and our value area low at around 1260, and obviously the range low is like the high 800s. I'm looking at this second range right here. Basically, if Bitcoin is going to come up and take out its August high at $25,000, I would expect ETH to come up and basically hit into its August high, which has a very, very nice confluence right in this zone here. For me, ETH, if Bitcoin is going to be bullish, I mean, this is the zone I am really looking at potentially grabbing a nice trade from, because also if we take our fib, not from that high, from this high, this last high that we put in right before the Luna dump, look at that beautiful confluence right there. We have a high volume node, we have a value area high, we have a value area low, and we have this daily order block coming in right here as well. Like this very, very nice daily order block coming in right around this zone right here. If Bitcoin's going to come and take its August high, I would assume that ETH would take its August high as well. But if ETH is not going to continue up, then I think we have a very, very nice area to be aware of, which is this, right? Let's say that this is the top. Now, there's no mistake in the fact that we are at resistance here, right? There's no mistake in the fact. Now, let's keep in mind that this golden pocket is not fresh, right? We hit it in November, right before good old Sam Bankman-Fried went wilding out with his uneven man boobies flopping all over the place. Right? We hit that once already. So this is not fresh, right? But there are some other confluences here. But let's say this is a top. Then look at this. Boom, we take our fib from the low to the high. And look at this. Wow, beautiful. Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life? We have perfect confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket and the value area low of the range. Now, it is my opinion. I am persuaded and convinced, okay? Potentially, falsely so. But I am persuaded and convinced that Bitcoin is getting a blue pump right now. And also, I think that we are heading into relief rally territory. I think things are going to get more bullish. I really think we need to wreck more bears. All you bearish people out there. People so dang bearish. So dang bearish. We have macro bottom signals that only print at the bottom. Why is everyone still so bearish? Why is everyone still so bearish? It's been a year and a half of bear. All right? We need some relief here. So if we are going to get more upside, which I think we are, that's just my bias right now. If we do come down to here, that would be very, very bullish. And I would look for something like this. So either I would look for something like this, where we just simply trade the range, or I would look for something like this, where we're also simply just trading the range. And that's like the $1,250 to $1,300 zone for ETH. Now, locally on ETH, right? Locally on ETH right now, we just have to trade the range the same way we're dealing with Bitcoin, right? The same exact way we're dealing with Bitcoin right now. We have to trade this range. We've got a very clearly defined sideways range right here. right? We have, if we take a local fib from the low to the high, we have the 786 coming in right around this value area low. So like, you know, if ETH is going to get another move down, I would be looking for along around this area, around this 1540 zone, 1530 to 1540 zone. And if ETH is going to get another high just locally, then I would be looking to basically take out these highs, either for a fake out to come back into the range, or if we're going to put in a lower high, I would be looking at the Fibonacci Golden Pocket Retracement, which, by the way, lines up very, very nicely with this value area high, right? So I think the levels for ETH are pretty clear locally, where I would be looking for day trades. Basically, 1628, 1630 for a potential short if we're going to like come up and just put in a lower high here, like this. Of course, in order for that to happen, guys, we do need to reclaim this high volume node, this point of control. The fact that we are currently rejecting from it is kind of bearish. And right now, if we're unable to reclaim that, I would actually expect that we make our way back down to 1537 before we make our way back up there. So the next long I'd really be looking for would be something like this. And the next short that I would be looking for would be something like that, you know? Just keeping it simple, guys. Just buying low and selling high, you know? Like our grandfather taught us. Let's check out Bitcoin here. Bitcoin's getting a little move to the upside. Let's check out our order flow chart here. Okay, so yeah, we are absolutely right now. We've got some trades opening up here. 4 million longs coming in. Another like 400,000 longs coming in here. We've actually had a bit of a drop off in volume right here. You can see we have some longs coming in, nothing really to write home about. So let's pop on back over to our Bitcoin chart and let's take a look at our 12-minute market Cipher B, because that really does tickle my fancy. The 12-minute market Cipher B right here is printing another little green dot. So let's see if we can hold this rounded bottom right here. Okay, let's see if we can hold the rounded bottom. Now, I do have to say, the thing I like about this the most is the fact that we did come down to our key zone of support, right? We came right down to the box. And what were we looking for? We were looking for bullish divs on the 24-minute, bullish divs on the 12-minute, bullish divs on the 6-minute. We came down there and we absolutely got the uneven butt cheek pattern on the 12-minute. It's undeniable. Look at this pattern, right? And now we are getting continued upside momentum here. So I do have to say, this does look a little bit optimistic for a move to the upside, okay? Let's see here. Are we going to get a massive pump? I hope we do. I hope we do, guys, for the sake of this long trade that I'm in right now. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Shout out to everybody in chat. We got about 800 people. Only about 300 likes. All right, Mega Shark. I understand that we're rejecting from a 786. I believe you. I promise. I promise I believe you. Thank you for the analysis, my friend. Dark Mazer. What about CBD? Shout out to Tim B. He says 100% 25K. It could be next year, but it will come to us. Yeah, that's for sure, right? That's for sure. Ren is short. Ren, are you short? Who's short? Raise your hand if you're short. Raise your hand if you're short. Let me know in the chat. All right, let's check out the 5-minute order flow. People are talking about order flow, and yeah, we'll check out the order flow here. Is anyone short? I actually don't have CoinAnalyze pulled up right now, but I would say that absolutely this right here is a bullish divergence. This is a bullish divergence right here. We have a bullish divergence on the 5-minute time frame. We can clearly see lots of shorts opening up here, open interest getting higher over time, CVD making a lower low as price is making a higher low. So yeah, let's see if we can pump. We actually do have right now shorts underwater. We have shorts underwater. About 1.5 million shorts underwater. About another 1.7 million shorts are at their entry. So shorts are starting to be overcome by longs, guys. Are we going to dump or are we going to pump? That remains to be the question right now. Let's zoom into a trend reversal chart. You know, we're coming up to the VWAP, right? We're coming up to the VWAP. VWAP right now is about 23,300. So we really need to be paying attention to VWAP, which could give us a painful, heartbreaking rejection. Because 6 Juanita is a tough chick, but her sister, the VWAP, is even tougher. And, I'm sorry, this is 786ia. 786ia is the 786 fib level. This is the VWAP. The VWAP, you definitely don't want to mess with the VWAP, alright? Let's check out the ES right now. Still holding support, nothing too crazy. How's the dollar? Dollar is pumping, guys. This is not the best for Bitcoin, so... Oof, Bitcoin rejecting right here. Not looking too bullish. Let's see if we get back to 24K today. Yeah, let's see. Will we reject from the daily point of control? We might, right? We might. Shout out to Kenny Esposito. What is going on, Kenny Esposito? How did I find these pictures? I took these pictures. These are people I know in my life. 6 Juanita, 786ia, and the VWAP. I know all of these people very, very well. Very well, right? Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We need a middle of the day, Monday afternoon pump. We need a pump. DXY on the 5 minute. Let's check it out. Let's check out DXY on the 5 minute. It looks kind of bullish to me. I was hoping it would look bearish. Money flow's getting thicker. Momentum's getting thicker. Are we gonna pump? Are we really gonna pump right now? Well, dang. Well, dang. Well, dang. Is 6 Juanita Big Butts 28? No, that's a conspiracy. But shout out to Big Butts 28. Big Butts 28, I love you very much. Thank you so much for being my Big Butts 28. Dylan Waves wants to pump so he can get a juicy short. Crypto Cowpoke, what is going on, Crypto Cowpoke? Shout out to you, my friend. God bless you. All right, let's get the pump song going on. Let's see if we can pump this Bitcoin. All right. Well, if anybody doesn't know, this is the pump song. This pumps the Bitcoin price every time we sing it. Shout out to Left and Flow for the super chat. He says the VWAP looks like he smokes the devil's lettuce. I'll bet you he does. All right, here we go. All right, Bitcoin. You know what has to happen right now. Here we go, baby. We're about to pump this price. We're gonna jump, then we're gonna fall. We're gonna jump, then we're gonna fall. We're gonna jump, then we're gonna fall. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna jump 25K. We're gonna jump, no, 25K. We're gonna jump, then we're gonna pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah! Alright, it's not working at all. Purple candles up the wazoo. Let's go! sometimes it has a delayed effect. Come on, Bitcoin, don't do this to me now. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna fall. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna fall. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna fall. We're gonna jump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. That's right. That's what we're talking about. Shout out to 6 Juanita. Shout out to 786ya. Shout out to the VWAP. Shout out to the uneven butt cheek lady. Shout out to Dolores. Shout out to Sam Bankman Fried, upside down. Shout out to the guy who wears the pens. Here we go, baby. We're getting the pump. This is it. This is it. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Uh-oh. It's because of your unbelief, Nover, that the song is not working, my friend. Ah, it's pumping Dogecoin, huh? Pumping Dogecoin. Dang, guys. This ain't good, this ain't good. Oh no! Alright, it didn't really work, but maybe it did pump Doge. Let's check it out. Ah, see, it did work, guys. It just didn't work for Bitcoin. It worked for Dogecoin, right? Yeah, for Dogecoin only. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I hope not crypto pump it, you know? Shout out to DJ. Dang, we got a blood diamond on the 12-minute. Alright. Getting a little blue candle, baby. Getting a little blue candle action going. A little BCA. A little BCA going on. Some blue candle action. You guys know what I'm talking about? All right, I mean this. Okay, so this guy wants to know, am I serious? He's asking, are you serious? Jason Casper, are you serious? Look at my face. Do I look anything but serious right now? Does this face look anything but serious? I want you to screenshot this right now. Let's see. Dang. Alright, well. Back to the Dogecoin, guys. Wow, look at Dogecoin. Should have longed Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin the leading indicator for Bitcoin? Alright, so Man, it's not looking that great right now, guys. I have to be honest with you. It's really not looking that great. So, yeah, it's not looking the best. I'll be honest. Unfortunately, y'all, for Jason Casper's law, my long trade, I'm watching my profits be swindled away from me. But it's not over until the fat lady sings, guys. Remember the levels that we have on the chart here, right? This yellow line of support. It's not over until we hit that yellow line. Guys, make sure to like the video. We got 800 people in here, only 424 likes. Oh man, hurts my heart, guys. Hurts my self-esteem. Do it for the algo. If everyone likes right now, we'll be 200 likes away from doing a giveaway. So everybody like right now. Let's get the likes up to the watchers. Yeah, shout out to Royal Fresh. God bless you, Royal Fresh. The price action today is looking a bit shaky, guys. Okay, we got a 12-minute blood diamond. That's true, that's true. I keep the water on my head in case the Charizard catches on fire. Guys, if you don't like the video for the content, at least like the video for the hair. You know? Shout out to Spartan Wrestler 119. Win 0 any day now, my friend. Any day. Okay. 20K in the books. It could be. So, AMZYSO says you better take your remaining profit before you lose it all. Well, what? Look at this, guys. Massive pump on the 1 minute right now. Massive pump on the 1 minute. Look. Here's the thing. It's not over, guys, until the fat lady sings. And the fat lady doesn't sing until we come down here. Right? So, should we recap? A little bit, right? In case anyone new is in here. Basically, what we're looking at is Bitcoin is coming up to a zone of resistance. There is a chance that this is the high, right? When we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried Mambo pattern here. Money flow's getting lower, momentum's getting lower, red pepperoni nipples are getting lower. As the price is getting higher, we can clearly see this getting lower here on the 4-hour. That is bearish. However, we do understand the fact that we have been looking bearish for the past 9 days. And pretty much, like, as long as we don't lose this range, guys, I still think another high is in the books. Even if we just dip down like this, I still think another high could be in the books. I do think we are going to get a real pullback very soon in the $24,000 to $25,000 area. I do. But right now, locally, as long as we don't lose this confluence right down here, right, it's a very nice confluence. We have a Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, the 6-1 ETA right down here. We have the high volume node. We have the channel low. There is a chance that we could hold this as support and do something like this, whoop, and then either come up to either reject from here to put in a lower high, or even juicier, come up here to put in a higher high and get an actual rejection. And also, I'm a little bit wary with the Wednesday FOMC news coming out. I think we could get a buy the rumor, sell the news type deal, similarly to what we got last time, because again, we see the 25% of 1%. The 25% of 1% is already factored in. And last time, that was a buy the rumor, sell the news. Even though everyone thought it was going to be bullish, this time people also think it's going to be bullish. So let's see if we can get this fake buy the rumor, sell the news pump up to 24, 25K, and then get a little rejection. But there is a really good potential that we could get that this was the top, right? This was the top. And shout out to everybody who took the long this morning. The long I'm in right now is a long setup given in the VIP Discord. It was one of those perfect trade setups because it played out exactly as we wanted to. We want to see bullish divs on the 24, 12, and 6 minute. That's what got me into the trade, guys. And I'm still holding on for dear life here. I'm still holding on for dear life here, guys. Okay? So, by the way, if you want to join the VIP Casper Crew Discord where we post the trade setups in advance, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. If you want to trade with 0% limit order fees on ByBit, you could use the link in the description. And, yeah, oh yeah, also 20% discount on both trading courses. Right now, both trading courses, 20% discount. If you want to learn how to do this, guys, and do it right, check out the courses, changing the way thousands of people approach these markets. You can check out the testimonials. Not only will this teach you how to read the charts to feel confident in your trades, but also will teach you how to read the charts to feel confident in your trades. Will not teach you how to proofread your website to find duplicate content, but it will teach you how to stop FOMO trading and trading with emotions, which is very important. More important than duplicate content. You got to major on the majors, guys. You got to major on the majors and minor on the minors. You know, some people, and I've worked with a lot of people building websites in the past, they get so caught up over what freaking color their font is or whatever that they never launch the dang website, and then their business never gets anywhere because they were majoring on the minors. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying? Hey, some advice. Some non-financial advice right here. Alright? If you want to do something in life, you do it. You do it. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Trust the Lord. Seek the Lord. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him. He will make your path straight. If you want to do something, do it. When I started this YouTube channel, guys, I had no mic. I had no camera. I just had a MacBook, and that's it. And I grew the channel to over 50,000 subscribers with no mic and no camera. Don't be one of those people, paralysis of analysis, waiting forever until you have everything perfect to try and go do something. You know what I'm saying? You're never going to get everything perfect. You're never going to get everything perfect. Just do it. Just do it. If you make a mistake, fix it along the way. Just do it. Don't be one of those people that never does anything because you just overanalyze. You know what I'm saying? So, just saying. That's not financial advice, guys. It's not financial advice. Shout out to Kenny Esposito. That's true. If you seek the Lord and put Him first, it will absolutely change your life. 100%. Who is Mike? I don't know. Who is Mike? I'm in a microphone. Like, I didn't have one of these guys. I didn't have one of these. I just talked into the MacBook Pro. I didn't even use headphones. You know? It's crazy. That's so true. That's also the philosophy behind whoever made this shirt. You know? What the heck is even going on with this thing, guys? Am I ever gonna get my second sleeve done? No, I never am. I'm never getting another tattoo ever again, guys. So, how's my long doing here? It's hanging in there, guys. Let's check out the order flow chart. What's happening? Nothing. Guys, we have no volume coming in. This is literally the most boring time to ever be looking at the price. Let's see. Over time, what do we have here? Do we have any kind of bullish divergence forming? Not really. One could make the case that we have some slight bullish divergence right here. This big decrease of open interest in the middle of it makes me, like, not really like it too much. Makes me not like it too much. You know, New York's on lunch right now. How's the S&P 500 doing? It's holding the level. Like, we really do need to see it hold this level right here, guys. It's holding. How's the XY? Alright, getting a little candle to the downside, you know? And that's fine. You know what else is great about this shirt is that it has a little pocket here. You know, I can keep things in here. You know what I'm saying? Keep things in here. My phone. If I was an old older man, maybe like if this was the 80s, I would keep my box of cigarettes in here. You know, I'd be walking around with the box of cigarettes poking out. But guys, it's the 90s, so it's not cool to smoke anymore. And you know, pump today, dump Wednesday. That's what I want, man. That's what I want. Bull div dots on the 5 minute. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, Bitcoin. Now, here's a real issue I have, guys, is the fact that we are not able to reclaim this value area high of the range here. We really, really do need to put in a higher high. Would you look at this double top that we put in also? Right around 23,313, and that's VWAP right now. So I think 23.3 is the major level we need to claim right now. Let's just look at this as a local range too, right? This is our local range right here. We can do TA on any time frame, guys. This might as well be the daily chart. If this was the daily chart, what would we be looking for right here? We'd be looking for a chicken's drinking water right up here. We'd be looking for a CDW right up here. We'd be looking for a CDW of the low into the golden pocket plus channel low plus point of control, right? So honestly, this is a legitimate long setup right here from 22,936. And then let's take a look at some other zones of confluence that we might have. Now, I know we already got our golden pocket retest, didn't we? Yeah, we already got the golden pocket retest. Yeah, right? You know, Okay, so I think we have our range pretty well marked out. We've got our key levels pretty nicely marked out here. I think it's pretty clear that we look for a short from the highs and a long from the lows, baby. Short the highs, long the lows, baby. Dang, if I could only choose one time frame, what would it be? That's tough. I'd say the 12 minute. The 12 minute time frame. 12 minute for certain. The 12 minute, yeah. Yeah, people are waiting for FOMC. Also, it's a Monday. We tend to kind of have boring PA on the Monday. What was my best trade ever and how much did I make? Well, my best trade ever was a long on December 27th, 2020. I longed Bitcoin on December 27th, 2020. Or maybe, yeah, December 27th, 2020. That was my best trade ever. That was not the most money I ever made on a trade, though. And that's the thing. Because I had much less capital back then. Because I made a lot of money on Bitcoin in 2021 when we went up to 50 and 60K. And Lord willing, I'll make a lot more in 2023 and 2024 when we go up to 100K. Because I have more Bitcoin on spot right now than I've ever had in my life. So I'm very exposed. I'm very exposed. I've got the fib out in public, guys. But, yeah, so the best trade I ever made, and the trade that I'm actually most proud of, is along from right here. And I held this trade until this day. No, February. When was February? I held it all the way up to here. I think this is the most percentage I've ever made in a trade. Without closing it out. I think so. This is the one that sticks out to me the most. I also did short $58,000. I shorted 58K, but I closed that out a long time ago. I closed that out around here, so yeah, I think the most percent gain I ever made was the long from December 27th, 2020. I'll never forget that. Wait a second. Hang on. Was it January? Might have been January, guys, not December. It's hard to remember this stuff. It It might have been December. I don't remember, but I'm sorry, guys. I don't remember. K-Pack said the new 100K is 500K. It probably will be, honestly, guys. Once the new bull market really starts coming, I guarantee people are going to be looking at that 500K level. All right, here we go, baby. We're getting our pump on right now. Let's check out what's happening over here. We're getting our pump on. Yeah, whatever K-Pack says, guys, make sure to write that down, because K-Pack is probably the best trader in the world. All right, we're getting our pump on, guys. Let's go, baby. It's time to crack open a cold one. I have a confession to make to you guys. I've been a little bit addicted to this, Zevia soda. And I know it's not good for me, right? I know it's not. Because it has, like, natural flavors in it. Who the heck knows what that is? Could be anything, right? As long as it can be considered natural flavors, they could put anything in it. But I like to lie to myself and say, it's all good. Now, the thing I like most about these soda cans, guys, is the fact that they're completely see-through. You can actually see through the can to the wall behind me. You see that? You guys see that? It's completely see-through. Wow. Crazy. Alright, so we're coming up to the point of control of the range where we are finding some resistance. And not only is it the point of control of the range, but it's also the 0.5 Fibonacci to the dollar. Wow. Talk about a juicy confluence. So we really do need to reclaim this green box if we want to see more upside. Just to break market structure locally here, we really do need to take out this high. This is a very important high. When we look on the 5-minute chart, we've got this little 5-minute order block right here. And we put in a double top. We need to break these highs if we want to see more upside. To the downside, guys, we do have to be aware of this liquidity that can be grabbed. I'm still bullish, honestly, until we lose this zone. And the reason why is because we have a very nice confluence down here, right? A very, very nice confluence down there. We have the channel bottom. We have the 618 Fibonacci. We have a high volume node. We have other confluences there. Secret levels that I can't even talk about openly without my Illuminati handlers taking me, locking me up, putting me in an insane asylum, and then me coming out with blonde hair, totally changing my personality. Maybe I'm even a clone. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it probably is carcinogenic. I know I need to stop. I actually feel convicted about it, you know, but it's like I'm, you know. Oh, snap. Casual TA Crypto Jesus coming in with the secret levels right here. Yeah, that's true. We have a naked weekly point of control of 22,860 for the SFP. Yeah, exactly, my friend. That's exactly what I'm also. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, guys. So, like, again, this green box, right? This is the level. This is the level that we need to be aware of here. So, let's see if we get it on stream, baby. We're going to 25K today. Dang, it's not looking so great, though, for your boy. It's not looking so great for your boy, Jason Casper here. We're giving back all the gains we made in this little pump here. So, that CME slapped. Let's check out the ES. Oof! Ah! Crypto face longed around here and then seems upset and closed the stream. Well, I mean, I understand why he would close the stream. I mean, literally nothing's happened since he's been streaming, so I feel for him. I mean, as far as stream content goes, if he's in a massive win, it's good content. If he's in a massive loss, it's good content. But if he's doing nothing, that's kind of lame. So, shout out to everybody watching this stream. Shout out to all 950 people watching the stream when nothing's going on with the Bitcoin price. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell and all the things YouTubers are supposed to say. Make sure to follow me on MySpace, myspace.com/Jason Casper. Just kidding. But you can follow me on Twitter. So, alright, so let's see if we get down to, well, I guess to my entry, right? Yeah, I might take a loss on this one, guys. I'll take it too. I'll take it too. I'll take a dang loss. I don't care. Where do you find the monthly naked points of control? Legends have it. I use ExoCharts for that. So you come over to ExoCharts and then go ahead and put on the monthly volume profile chart. And for the weekly ones, put on the weekly volume profile chart. So we've got one right down here. USDT dominance. Yeah, let's check out USDT dominance. That'll actually tell us what is going to be happening with Bitcoin. So let's check out USDT dominance. Alright, so USDT dominance is getting some bull div on the daily, guys. So this is a nice confluence for us getting a pullback here. Because look at this, right? I mean, if we invert the chart, this is literally the Bitcoin chart, but the opposite, right? So this is very much so inversely correlated. When we see USDT dominance go up, the Bitcoin price will go down because people are back in tether, and vice versa. So we saw this bearish divergence really playing out here. We saw this really nice bear div as Bitcoin bottomed out, and now we have been getting a massive pump ever since then. Shout out to Lane Hughes, by the way. He's the guy who really brought this to my attention. He's been studying this, and he's actually also super bullish, but he's also expecting a pullback. So right now we can see we're getting some bull div on the daily with USDT dominance. And let's pull out some fibs. So we're chilling out in the 0.5 fib now, like just chilling out. So here's the thing, guys, and this is actually super interesting about USDT dominance. The August high for Bitcoin happened right down here. This was the August high for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin takes out its 25K high, USDT dominance will be coming down to the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. In which case, right, I would like to see something like this. I would like to still see more bullishness here. I wonder if we can look at volume here. I don't know. Yeah, wow. So, yeah, I would love to do something like this. That would be amazing for Bitcoin, basically. If we do this on USDT dominance, this would be Bitcoin coming up to $25,000 to take its August high, getting a retrace back down to the $18,500 support resistance flip, and then actually coming to put in a higher high at $30,000. So if the USDT dominance does something like this, we will see the Bitcoin price do something like this, where we just come up a little bit more, take out the high in August, FOMC news comes out, get a big dump down to here, which is the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the low to the high. And that's also the value area low of this very large range. And then we could come in and put in like another higher high. That would actually be very, very nice, in my opinion. So Bitcoin's dumping right now, guys, and my long trade is absolutely in the red. Absolutely in the rojo over here. Up in the rojo, if you know what I mean. Yeah, that would be cool if we did that with USDT dominance. That would be nice. Alright, shout out to Spartan Wrestler. He says, you draw a trend line from the inception on the bottom of USDT every time it touches the bottom. Let's check that out. You know, maybe Spartan Wrestler, I don't quite understand, man. Because obviously, I'm not doing this right here, so let's see. Are we talking about this, maybe? Are we talking about this? Wow. So this is log. So, guys, this is interesting, right? I'm not trying to, like, say that this is going to happen. I'm just saying it's very interesting that the 6 Juanita, random 6 Juanita from this low down here. Let's see what other 6 Juanitas we got going on here. So, like, so April, we'll be lining up with the 6 Juanita from the low to the high of inception. This doesn't mean much, right? Because it's just like, I don't know, is this from the beginning of Tether? If this is from the beginning of Tether, you know, it's a little sketch. But that would be very interesting if we did get a move down to here. This would be the this would be the March high. So let's say that from the low to the high, the 618 is coming in around April 2023. We'll come to this nice intersectionality right over here. And I love me some intersectionality, by the way. That would bring us equal to the March high for Bitcoin. So let's check out the March high for Bitcoin. That will take us to... Wow. I'm just saying, guys, like, look at this. What was the March high for Bitcoin? The point of control of the range. Where's the point of control of the range? Fibonacci golden pocket, baby. That is crazy, you know? That really is crazy. Could this happen? Maybe. That would catch a lot of people off guard, I'll tell you that much. Shout out to Honda Man. Yeah, I know. Is stevia man-made though? I guess it is artificial because you would never find stevia extract in the wild. You could grow stevia. I grow it. But yeah, you're right. This can't be good for me. I know it's bad, right? I know it's bad. So this is my last one, guys. This is my last one. Cheers. My last one right there for you, live on the internet. Juan Vasquez asked a good question. Jason, are you becoming a moon boy? Well, let's investigate. Let's investigate this question. Is Jason Casper becoming a moon boy? Exhibit A. We'll take a look at his thumbnails. I don't know. Looks a little moon boyish to me. Open mouth. Looks pretty moon boy to me. Lots of emojis in the titles. Warning signs. Oof. Yeah. It looks pretty moon boy. Let's see. Let's check out Exhibit B over here. Let's see. Exhibit B. Exhibit B. Let's check it out. Huh. Where is Exhibit B? Ah, Exhibit B. Let's look at this photograph of Jason Casper the other night. Looks like a moon boy to me, guys. ByBit shill. Market Cipher shill. Open mouth. Crooked teeth. Charizard hat. I think he's a moon boy. I think he's a moon boy. Let's check out his positions right now. Long. Only. Refusing to close. Even though clearly it's not going too well. Lying to himself. This is just a healthy correction. The bear market's over. You make your own decision. Look at the shorts opening up, says Bitcoin Game. Let's check out the shorts opening up right now. Whoa! Wow, that's a lot of shorts opening up right now. Somebody didn't listen to their grandfather. Buy low and sell high, baby. 8 million shorts opening up at these lows here. 8 million shorts. Holy macaroni. Fred and Tony. 8 baloney. And you guys believe that? Wow. Wow. 8 million shorts opened up right here. Jeez, man. Wow. We'll just put in another high on Bitcoin. Is that what you're thinking? It's very possible. It's very, very possible. I'm not gonna take my profit. I've already taken profit, guys. I've already taken profit. This is a guaranteed winner for me. I'm satisfied with it, and I'll even hold it into a little drawdown here, because here's the thing, guys. Again, we do have this this confluence down here at the low. All right, let's look at the SPX over here. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. It's losing this level as well. Let's I really want to be watching right here for potential CDW, right? Let's watch potential CDW. Let's check out the dollar. Oh man, yeah. Okay. Let's see, guys. We are coming up to a potential opportunity right here. The dollar might get a CDW, and And SPX might also get a CDW, and so Bitcoin may also get a CDW here. Back to the low of the range. Yes. I have taken a short lately. I have taken a short, guys. Lately. Lately I have. What is a CDW? A CDW is an SFP. What's an SFP? It's a swing failure pattern. What's a swing failure pattern? Swing failure pattern is where the price fails to make another swing low or swing high. So if price just wicks down here and then comes right back without closing a candle and officially making a new swing low, that's a swing failure. But here's the problem with SPX, guys. Here's the real issue with it. The real issue with SPX right now is that we have absolutely put in a high, put in a low, put in a lower high from the 0.5 fib, and now we're about to put in a lower low. This is not very bullish. The only reason I'm holding out here is because of the fact that the dollar is coming to key resistance locally, SPX is coming to key support locally, and Bitcoin is coming to key support locally, and it's not over until the fat lady sings Sweet Home Alabama. Sweet Home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. What does CDW stand for? It stands for chickens drinking water. Because whenever price does get an SFP, it looks like a chicken drinking water, right? Let's... Oh man, look at this moon boy here. Look at this moon boy. So guys, I've been really working on the YouTube algorithm to figure out what makes people click more. And it's a combination of an open mouth and a pointed finger, right? Open mouth, pointed finger. 7,000 views, right? It really does. It's a good combination. I've been messing with different things, and I like to think, I would like to think that people enjoy watching more serious content, but it's not true. It's not true. It's not true at all. It's crazy. Ever since I started using these types of thumbnails, the views are up like crazy. I wish it wasn't true, man. So people who hate the thumbnails, I mean, talk to your friends who like these thumbnails. I can't explain it, but my goal is to get to 100,000 subs by the end of the year, so gotta play the YouTube game, man. That's just how it is. You know? What were we gonna look at? Oh, right, we're gonna look at chickens drinking water. My favorite video. Here we go. Now, first of all, I do recommend you check out the Chickens Drinking Water Trading Strategy by Jason Casper, posted 6 months ago. But this is a chicken drinking water here. Let's take a look at her. Now, watch how the hen drinks water. Now, keep in mind that the price is the chicken's beak, and the previous wick is the water line. And so the chicken will take her beak and shove it down into the water real quick, and then pull it up and right. So the chicken's gonna just take her beak, shove it down into the water real quick, rip it up, right? Watch. Boom. Okay, look at her head in the water. Now her beak is the price. The water is that previous liquidity. Boom. Watch again. There we go. What a cute chicken. What a sweet chicken. Aw, she's so cute. She's such a cute little chickie. What's going on, chickie? Now these chickies, they've gotten beat up by the rooster, you can tell. Or maybe they're molting. But, you know, that is a CDW. Did DXY just reject? Not really. I would like to see it take out that high. Let's check out the 12-minute. It honestly doesn't look too bearish, guys. Like it looks pretty neutral, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, we'll really have to wait and see what happens here, y'all. So. Did CryptoFace close his long? Okay, so Bitcoin Game says in all caps, bullish CBD on the 5-minute time frame. Well, let's check that out. Maybe bullish CBD on the 5-minute time frame, right? Maybe. That's the thing, because although we have definitely the CBD is getting lower here, is the price making a higher low? It's very slight, and I don't really like this because look at the big decrease of open interest that happened right here. So really, I would want to be looking from like right here. I don't think this is bullish CBD in my opinion. I wouldn't give this too much weight, guys. If we trap these longs, right? If we reclaim the level of, let's say, 23,120, then those longs will be underwater. I don't know if I would consider this bullish CBD though. But look at this, guys. I mean, like, it's no joke. TA on any time frame is no joke. Bouncing from the range value area low on the 5-minute time frame, we drew this little chart here, right? So TA is no joke, guys. It's no joke. Let's see if we get a move up from here. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, S&P 500. Come on, dollar. Come on, exo charts. Come on, ByBit. Come on, uneven butt cheeks. Come on, upside down, Sam Bankman-Fried. Uneven butt cheek, man boob pattern. Who is CF? CryptoFace, man. CryptoFace. This music is very ethereal, right? Ethereal. It's putting me in a weird mood. It's putting me in a weird mood. Let's change this up. Let's get a little bit more hype in here. This is more like it, guys. All right, we're pumping up, baby. We're pumping up. Let's go. Let's pump this Bitcoin right now. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Here we go, baby. Here we go. We're pumping it, baby. We are pumping it right now. Shout out to Carl from the moon and Crypto. Good on market Cipher B. Someone says 9 minutes looking good on market Cipher B, huh? Alright. Let's check a minute on market Cipher B real quick. Yeah, it's looking kind of good, guys. Man, talk about local value area low pump, baby. Now that's pretty cool. We should call Tino. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. What's the market maker gonna do? Come on. Make your move. What's the market maker gonna do? Alright. This is the moment we've been waiting for, guys. Let's see if the DXY rejects right here. Let's check out ES. Holding. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I am nervous about this because here's the thing. If the DXY is pumping like this, it could be very bearish for Bitcoin. Yes, we want to see this rejection. Let's get this rejection, baby. Come on. We want to see a rejection. This is what we want to see. Let's lose this level. Come on, DXY. Come on. You can do it. What I mean to say is you can't do it, DXY. You suck. You're always a loser. You could never do anything. You could never do anything, DXY. You know you can't do anything. You're so incompetent. Come on. Don't even trick yourself. You're worthless. Dollar to dollar. You're worthless. You're fake. You're fake. You're just a debt note created by the Federal Reserve. You're not even federal. You know what I'm saying? You suck. Come on. Come back down where you belong. In the dirt. Let's lose this level. Come on, DXY. Dump, baby. Dump. That's right, Bitcoin. We're pumping the Bitcoin. We're dumping the dollar. That's why I got into crypto in the first place. What was the last song before this one? That one was a Jason Casper original, my friend. You'll never find that one on the internet. Unless you know what YouTube channel I uploaded it to. Some people know. Some people know. But keep it on the down low, guys. Keep it on the down low. Through that, Robert. Here we go, baby. We're pumping right now. We are pumping right now. Don't we want Bitcoin to fall so we can rebuy? Yeah, we do, right? But like, as a guy in a long trade from 22,962, I kind of want it to pump first. You know what I'm saying? So. Also, I'm in 4 longs right now, and I'm reluctant to let them go. All right, guys. You know what it is right now? I need you guys to watch the chart for me. I need you to watch the chart for me. Because I have to pee. I have to pee so bad right now. Make sure I don't get liquidated. Alright, how did that go? Did I get liquidated, guys? No. Wow, that's great. Alright, let's check out what is the DXY doing right now. Did we reject? Yes! This is what we want to see, guys. This is what we want to see. We want to see this level lost. When pump, I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, that's right. That pee tree getting the color, and I used to take you guys out to pee with me, but you know, I kept losing internet and getting cut off stream, so We don't want to lose internet and get cut off stream, right? So let's get back to some nice chill music here. Here we go. Alright, so DXY is losing the level. ES getting a pump, baby. Reclaiming that very key daily level. Bitcoin rejecting from the point of control once again. And let's see, do we have a local 6 Juanita? Look at that, guys. Rejecting right from the local 6 Juanita. She won't even date us. Even the hometown local 6 Juanita, the girl next door, won't date us. And her options are very slim. Those hometown village girl 6 Juanita, there's only like 2 guys to choose from in her town. And of course, we're not one of them. Jeez, look at that 6 Juanita rejection right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Massive amounts of shorts wrecked on that move to the upside, guys. Big decrease of open interest. All the shorts that were trapped are now out of their trade. So they're no longer trapped. They can't be fuel to the fire to give us a move to the upside. But let's see if we can get some long volume coming in. It's 1:23 p.m. New York time. I'll bet you those New Yorkers are coming back from lunch. What did they have? Probably New York style pizza. Who wouldn't have that in New York City? I would. Yeah, I know it's kind of bad for you, right? It's not gluten-free. It's not vegan either. But you know what? I'm not gluten-free or vegan. So it doesn't matter. Alright, so let's check out this daily time frame here. Not the daily. Let's check out this daily level. We need to see the ES reclaim this daily here. Let's see if we can change market structure a little. Let's see if we can get the coveted W pattern, right? The George W. Bush blasting off. Yeah, what a big decrease we've had right there. Let's check out the 12-minute on Market Cipher B. Oof, you know, the 12-minute, guys, is my favorite time frame, and I don't like the look of this money flow. Okay, I'll take it. We can draw a trend line. Is that... It's dancing right on the line, man. But I do have to say, I like the look of the 12-minute time frame a little bit better than the 9, because that new candle, that fresh 12-minute candle is nice and blue. And I don't mean to bring race into it, guys, but I do like when my candles are blue. You know? Ugh, the 1 hour, right? Not looking so hot. Are we gonna get CV divergences on the 1 hour? Chickens are good, Midnight Madness. They are good. How about I use open interest and CVD right here? I mean, it wouldn't actually give me anything to enter into a trade, but what we were looking at was the potential of some shorts being trapped down here. Because we had a whole bunch of shorts. We had 8 million shorts open up right here, in between the prices of 23,080 and 23,100. And then we came up above that level, trapping those shorts. But they immediately closed out, right? We saw them all open right here and then all close out right here. So if they had stayed trapped and the open interest had continued to increase, that would have been much more bullish. But now they're all out of their position, so they're no longer trapped. And now we're back to pretty much very, very low volume, right? Very interesting. We saw a big increase of volume out of nowhere right here. $9 million short coming in. And then they're like, nah, screw that, man. I was probably one guy. They're like, all right, I'm shorting this 9 mil, let's go, baby. And then they're like, nah, JK, LOL. Oof, not looking so good on the 12-minute anymore either. Do I feed them tractor supply feed? Heck no, I don't. No. Heck no. I feed them all organic, locally grown feed, or stuff I grow myself, or stuff that we don't eat, and I also let them free range at times of the year. So, alright, Side of Clouds is seeing bullish CVD on the 15 and 30 minutes, so let's check that out, Side of Clouds. Because I am zoomed in, I don't want to miss the forest for the trees here. Yeah, we technically do see it. We technically do see that. Yep. I know we see it. The reason I don't like it is because of this open interest that keeps coming down here. But yeah, nonetheless, we definitely see the bullish CBD. Let's check out the TR chart to get a little bit more clarity here. See, look at this on the TR chart, right? On the TR chart, we don't really see it as much here. We still see it. I don't know. It doesn't look as good as I'd want it to look here. But it's still there. It's still there, right? And also something else to keep in mind is that all these shorts here are closed out now. So all these guys here that made the CBD come down so low are closed too. So I don't know. I'm not saying it's not going to play out. I'm just saying I hope it does. I'm long. Just trying not to get my hopes up over here, guys. Right? Your boy might take a pretty juicy loss here. I'm prepared to take a loss. Are my chicken's wings clipped? Some of them yes, and a lot of them no. But I have to be honest with you. When we move into garden season, I'm gonna have to clip their wings. Because right now in the winter, I let them free range wherever they want, in the woods or whatever. But when we have gardens going, I can't do that. I can't, as much as I want to, I can't. They'll destroy the gardens. So I have to clip their wings. Guys, make sure to like the video. We got 800 people, 700 likes. Let's see if we can get the likes up to the watchers. Where did I see the long short positions inside every candle? That is a platform called Exo Charts right here. Exo Charts will let you see exactly how many longs and shorts are opening up within every single candle. So I can see, you know, 8 million shorts open in this candle, and then I can see in this candle 8 million shorts closed, right? I mean, it's literally, you could tell it's the same guy. Negative 7.8 million delta, positive 7.8 million delta. Big short candle, big short close candle. Let's go, baby. Let's see if we can get a little pump right here. Come on. Can we get a little blue candle? Blue candle, baby. There we go. Can we get a blue candle? Yeesh, that 12 minutes looking indecisive, is it not? Is it not looking indecisive after rejecting from the hometown 6 Juanita? We thought we were going to have a chance with her, but definitely not. Jeez, man. Oh my goodness, can you even believe it, guys? I can't even believe it. And I thought we were going to pump, too. I thought we were going to pump. Sheesh. Do you pay for EXO? Yes, you do, Kenny Esposito. You have to pay for EXO. I think it's actually pretty dang cheap. I'll be honest with you. I think it's pretty dang cheap, in my opinion. Shout out to Tom Crown in the chat, by the way. Tom Crown, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Shout out to Tom Crown, everybody. Make sure to go like and subscribe and all that stuff to Tom Crown for some good TA. Am I still holding a short? Yes, I'm in a short. I'm still in a short. I'm in a short. Let me see. How How many eggs do I eat a day? Like between 6 and 8, honestly. But you gotta watch out. I hear they cause blood clots now, so watch out for those eggs. But yeah, I'm in a short. I'm in a short and a long, but you know, I have to be honest. I'm hoping for more upside here. I'm hoping honestly for some more upside here and less downside here. Reason is because, guys, I'm still holding 4 long positions. I'm in 4 long trades right now. And yeah, shout out to Tom Crown for the February 1st hype. That Tom Crown, like, what do you think, man? Because I'm actually kind of thinking we get a buy the rumor, sell the news. Like the 25 BPS is already kind of factored in here. Last time that happened, we got that rejection, right? Last time we got that FOMC meeting, I think when we came up to like 18,300 and got the rejection right down here. And so I'm thinking we kind of do the same thing, like get a little rally and then a Wednesday reversal coming into that 24, 25K zone of resistance. That's what I'm hoping for, at least, Tom Crown. I mean, I see the bearish signs already on the chart, and I fully recognize this could be a top, but you know me, bro, smoking the bullish opium always. 12-minute green dot is no longer printing. Let's see what happens here. Shout out to Prince, who says cholesterol is good for testosterone. How do I cook my eggs? I usually just scramble them, man. I don't even scramble them. I just throw them in a pot. I throw them in a pan and cook them a little and flip them and then eat them. Or sometimes Big Butts 28 hard boils a whole bunch of them. So, trash price action today. You think this is the most exciting price action I think I've seen in a very, very long time, guys. This is the most exciting price action I've seen in a very, very long time. Interesting, Tom Crown. He says, I think they keep softening until they have an FOMC meeting with 0 PPS, then the market dumps. Interesting theory. I like it. I like it. Duck eggs will turn you into a Mike O'Hearn. That's good to know, Lane Hughes. Yeah, I'm all about being a Mike O'Hearn up in here, you know? Shout out to Lolo. Well, I don't know, Lolo. You know, I heard it's eggs. I heard it's eggs. Well, do we have a bull div on the 1 minute? Let's check it out. It's not a bull div, but it is an anchor trigger wave on the 1 minute here. And, you know, it's so interesting, right? We are trading and respecting this local range like crazy here. It is pretty crazy. Let's see what's happening on order flow. Nothing. Guys, this is the most boring price action. Right, we're getting a little pump to the upside here. Come on. Oh, we have what? Shout out to Lolo. What's going on, Lolo? It's good to see you here. God bless you. How do I feel about FDA approving lab-grown chicken? Oh, great. You know, I just love the FDA so much, and everything they approve is so good and healthy. And yeah, I mean, who would want to eat something so dangerous like a chicken grown outside? Think of all the germs that there are, bacteria, viruses. You know, I'd much rather have something grown in a controlled, safe laboratory, you know? Because, like, mankind is at the point now where we can, like, improve our own evolution, you know? Intelligent design, and we're the designers. And so we can improve upon creation, you know? The chicken, it's okay, but we could do better in a lab. You know what I'm saying? Must be so good. I'm so excited for it. Can't wait for it. Shout out to Ayush, who says, not buying or selling, gonna play the waiting game for a while. That is a great idea, my friend. If anybody's not in a trade right now, I would definitely not recommend longing or shorting right here. There's no volume. There's no entry, in my opinion. Not for Bitcoin. I'm sure there's people out there trading altcoins, making thousands of millions of %, while your boy Jason Casper's struggling here in this long trade, live streaming it. You know what I'm saying, for a nice 0.95. But yeah, not on Bitcoin. Not on Bitcoin. How many chickens do I have? How many do I cycle in every year? And how many do I eat? Well, we hatch eggs. We just hatch eggs constantly. And we eat the roosters. And the hens we keep for eggs. And we typically have between, I would say, probably no more than 60 chickens at one time. Usually I would say between 30 and 50 is on average. 25 is getting a little bit low. So thank you for the prayers, Lolo. Appreciate that. Does AI trading work? I don't know. I'm sure it does work. I honestly don't know. I haven't looked into it. Can it be a trigger wave on the 3-minute chart? Says making money online. Well, let's check that out. Let's check that out. Can it be a trigger wave on the 3-minute? That is definitively a trigger wave on the 3-minute. Here's the problem. I mean, yes, it's a trigger wave on the 3-minute, 100%. I would never long a 3-minute trigger wave based only on a 3-minute trigger wave. That's just me. But it is a 3-minute trigger wave, so if that's what you're trying to do, I mean, do you? But I mean, yeah, obviously volume's pretty low, guys. How's our dollar doing? How's the good friend? Oof. We want to really see the dollar lose 102.179, guys. Actually, even more so, we want to see the dollar lose. Okay, yeah, 102.188. This is the level the dollar needs to stay below if we want more upside for Bitcoin. And ES is right now again losing that daily. So here's my last hope for the Bitcoin long, guys. If the S&P 500 gets its chickens drinking water from this level, meaning we dip down below it with a wick, and then come right up. And if the dollar can continue to lose this level, right? Same deal. We want a wick up and then a wick down, and then the corn, right, coming down into this green box here with a wick, and then I think that is what I'm looking at for a long. We could potentially be getting the uneven butt cheek pattern on the 1 hour time frame. The juicy left cheek, the skinny right cheek. Dolores at the diner bringing our coffee out here. Coming out here with our coffee, limping along with our uneven butt cheeks. The price is coming down to key support. We see the uneven butt cheek pattern over here. Partying at the club. Drink in hand. It's getting wild out here. You know, that could happen, guys. But other than that, I think it is possible that we come lower. I really want, I can't stress this enough, I want to put in another higher high for Bitcoin. I do. I want to put in another higher high, or at least a lower high, to maybe compound a short. But I would love to get in a higher high here. When Gareth Soloway collab? I don't know. Everyone's collabing with Gareth Soloway, so maybe I'll reach out to him. How low can we go after hitting the golden pocket? Well, we could come all the way down to 0, honestly. But how low do I think we go locally? I mean, I'm looking at this green box right here. I'm looking at this zone right here. Like 22.8 is the lowest I would want to go. 22.8 is the lowest I would want to go. Yeah, 22.8, baby. Well, it's getting to be that time, guys. I actually have to head out. I actually literally have to head out of my house in 15 minutes. I wish I could stay all day. I was hoping we'd hit 25K today, but we didn't. So, guys, may God bless you all in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah, God in the flesh, who died and rose again to pay for the sins of mankind so that we can have the hope of abundant life now and of a physical resurrection when the Lord returns, so we can live in the state that we were originally created to live in. And even if you're not religious, I do pray that the Lord bless you and reveal himself to each one of you in a very personal way. And may the Lord bless you all and protect you, and may he shine light upon you and have grace upon you, and may he turn his face towards you and give you completeness. In the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel. Amen. I'll see everybody in the next stream. Peace, guys.